Your team's always changing. Someone joins, someone leaves, someone gets promoted. But keeping your staff directory updated on WordPress, that means logging in every single time, finding the right page, and updating each profile by hand. It's time-consuming and error-prone. But with FlexTable, you can connect your Google Sheet to your WordPress site, and your staff directory updates automatically. It is that simple, and it requires no manual work. Setup takes only a few minutes. Install FlexTable, paste your Google Sheet URL, and you're done. No coding, no complexity. Want your internal staff portal to show each employee only their own data? FlexTable can match logged-in users to their specific row in the sheet. Privacy handled. Match employees by their WordPress email. When they log in, they see only their profile. Everyone else's data stays hidden. Or maybe you need to show everyone the full team. Add filters so visitors can find exactly who they're looking for. By department, by role, by name, instantly. Update your Google Sheet once. Your WordPress directory reflects the change immediately. No republishing, no waiting. Everything's live. Create your first staff directory in minutes. Download FlexTable free. Build your staff directory that actually stays up to date.